The word 責める. We use it when talking about someone's mistake or problem and when speaking to someone strongly. 責める. 人のミスや問題を話すときによく使います。相手に強く言う場面でも出てきます。It is used as a transitive verb. In plain use, 責める means to blame or criticize someone, and can also mean to press a person hard with questions or pressure, even to the point of tormenting them. 人の良くない行いを咎めたり、厳しく注意したりすること。さらに、しつこく質問したり、早くしてとせかして、相手を苦しくさせる感じもあります。The only kanji means blame and responsibility. You see it in sekinin, which is the idea of being in charge of what happened. You also meet it in shiseki, a strong scolding. So, this character carries a sense of pointing out fault and holding someone accountable. Don't blame him. 彼を責めないでください。彼を責めないでください。Don't blame yourself too much. 自分を責めすぎないで。自分を責めすぎないで。Don't blame me in front of everyone. みんなの前で私を責めないで。みんなの前で私を責めないで。She criticized her subordinates harshly. 彼女は部下を厳しく責めた。彼女は部下を厳しく責めた。The most common synonyms of the word are 非難する and 咎める。非難する is often public or strong criticism. 咎める is pointing out a fault to someone's face. 責める overlaps with both and also covers pressing or pestering someone. The most common antonyms of the word are 褒める and 許す. 褒める is the opposite of finding fault, and 許す is releasing blame or punishment.